Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable 5 GHz band network on any TP Link Deco mesh system. Let's open your TP Link Deco application on your smartphone, stay on the Network tab and tap on Wi-Fi settings. A thing you should know: when you create TP Link Deco network, it automatically creates dual band network, which means 2.4 and 5 GHz network together, and all your devices will be connected to the internet at the highest possible speed. And also, if 6 GHz is available for your model, it creates separately 6 GHz network. You can tap on your dual band network, then tap on Advanced and tap on Band. And here you can enable or disable 2.4 or 5 GHz band like this. It's very easy, but at least one Wi-Fi band should be selected here. So let's enable both because this is the best option to me. Go back and you're all set. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.